See this rod right here? I got some weight on the end just to kind of balance it out, but this is one of my very first bass rods that I bought. It's a Quantum Bill Dance rod, glass rod, and I've had the eyes redone, but I have caught a bunch of fish on this thing. Since they're hitting that trap a little bit, or have been, I don't know if they will today or not, I'm going to put the round trap on this thing and see if I can catch something. Oh, got one on the first cast. Oh my goodness. Oh, check it out. Oh, there's a baby. Mwah, mwah. On the old fiberglass rod. That is so cool. It's been years since I've caught a fish on this rod. Well, that was exciting. Yeah, it's another fish. It's a decent one too. On the old Bill Dance rod. Come on, buddy. You ain't that big. That's two on the old nostalgic rod. There we go. Mwah, mwah.